Good morning, welcome to 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing. We have some partly to mostly cloudy conditions out there this morning, seeing a few isolated late rain showers across the area, mainly not reaching the ground, but a few spots have seen some sprinkles. Going to see that continue to move off to the east this morning, and not expecting really any chances of rain showers or thunderstorms until we reach the late afternoon into the evening hours today. And with that, we will see a chance of those showers and thunderstorms mainly after 7 p.m. or 1900 local today, with a lee trough that will be firing those showers and thunderstorms west of our region, and then trying to move towards the Wallops region for the evening hours. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, we have a area of showers and thunderstorms across the Mississippi Valley that's going to be continuing to die off and moving towards the east. We'll have a trough currently across the Mid-Atlantic region, several different boundaries north of our area, and a strong area of high pressure off the southeast coast. We're going to have a lee trough kind of remain over the region today, and that'll provide us with our forcing for our showers and thunderstorms developing this afternoon during the heating of the day, primarily west of the region or the Wallops region. And those showers and thunderstorms will ride the westerly flow towards our region for the evening hours, and possibly providing us with some showers and thunderstorms. Our current observation this morning, we have several different cloud decks out there, with a few at 6,500, scattered at 12,000, broken 18,000, broken 25,000. Winds are fairly light this morning out of the west-southwest at 4 knots. Temperature already up to 77 degrees as of 8 o'clock this morning, and a relative humidity at 79%, so fairly humid and warm this morning. Taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have mainly the thickest cloud cover off to our north over the central portions of the Delmarva Peninsula this morning, seeing a bit of a break in the cloud cover just in the last 10-15 minutes here at Wallops, and going to continue to see less cloud cover as we move into the late morning into the afternoon hours, with just mainly cirrus cloudiness across the region. So taking a look at our radar imagery this morning, you can see we do have a few rain showers across the central portions of the Delmarva Peninsula. Moving down to Wallops, not seeing any of those rain showers this morning, and continue to see dry conditions. A very slight chance of seeing a sprinkle at Wallops until about 10 o'clock local time this morning. So taking a look at the HER model and how the derived reflectivity may play out today, you can see it moving in the afternoon. This is noon, 1, 2, and then moving into 4 o'clock this afternoon, you can see those showers start to fire along the Piedmont, and then moving towards and trying to move towards our region for this evening. Here's 9 o'clock this evening. The HER is really not showing much activity before about 8 o'clock across the peninsula, and then moving towards the central and northern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula after about 10 o'clock. Most of the models have moved northward with the showers and thunderstorms tonight. Yesterday it looked like it was going to be a better chance of showers and thunderstorms for this evening, but today the high-res models have moved in fairly good agreement to moving the showers and thunderstorms north of our region for this evening and overnight. Taking a look at the 3-kilometer AM model, here is 2 o'clock this afternoon, and then moving on, here is 8 o'clock. You can see it does pop up a shower or thunderstorm just off to our west and south around 1900 local, and that's when our chances of showers and thunderstorms start. And then moving on to the overnight hours, you can see this is 10 o'clock this evening, and then moving to midnight, you can see the shower and thunderstorm activity mainly across the central and northern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula, having a tough time getting down to Wallops. But we will still maintain a chance of those showers and thunderstorms till about midnight tonight, as we'll have fairly decently unstable air mass as well as a little bit of shear across the region, and due to that we are in a marginal risk from the Severe Prediction Center. So could be seeing some of those storms producing some gusty winds if they do develop across the region. But as I've mentioned, the main concentration of showers and thunderstorms look to be off to the north of Wallops tonight. So taking a look at our risk chart, we'll have a high today of 89 degrees, and that'll be during the early afternoon. before we have a sea breeze kick in out of the south at 8 to 13 knots, gusting to 18 knots. And once that sea breeze does kick in, should see temperatures fall back into the mid to lower 80s. And for this evening, we'll see those showers and thunderstorms come in after about 1900 local, as I mentioned, with a chance at 25%, and then a 40% chance after 2100 local until about midnight tonight. So looking like the best chance will be from 9 p.m. to midnight tonight with those showers and thunderstorms. As I mentioned, looking like those showers and thunderstorms will mainly be north of our region, but cannot rule out, and with that 40% chance of some storms over Wallops. We'll have a low tonight of 72 degrees. Winds will be gusty by tomorrow morning at 8 local. Looking like a southwest wind 9 to 14 knots, gusting up to 20 knots. And tomorrow, for Friday, will be fairly breezy as well. So taking a look at a 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see mainly VFR conditions across the region, not expecting anything below 3,000 feet with our ceilings unless we do have a thunderstorm in the region or overhead. So should just see those upper level cirrus clouds moving over the area and giving us some filtered sunshine for today. As I mentioned, we'll have that chance of a rain shower, a slight chance after 1800 local, a 15% chance of a thunderstorm from 18 local to 19 local. And then after 1900 local, we'll see a 25% chance of a thunderstorm to a 2100 local, and then after 2100 local, we'll see a 40% chance, of seeing a thunderstorm till midnight. And then thereafter, just a slight chance of a rain shower till 2 local on Friday morning. And then by Friday at 8 local, we'll just see some partly to mostly sunny skies across the region and warm conditions once again, temperatures already up in the mid to upper 70s. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Friday through Saturday, Friday will be partly to mostly cloudy, breezy, and humid. Slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm during the afternoon and evening. A high of 85 degrees on Friday. We'll see those winds gusting near 25 knots out of the south to south-southwest during the afternoon. We'll see our thunderstorm chances and rain chances around 20 to 25%. Friday looks like we'll have a slightly better chance earlier in the afternoon compared to today. And Friday night looks like partly to mostly cloudy skies with a chance of a shower or thunderstorm before midnight, a low of 70. Also seeing a chance of those ceilings below 500 feet with some lower level cloud cover moving in for Saturday morning. And then for Saturday, we'll see partly cloudy skies with a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm during the late afternoon evening. Hot and humid with a high of 89 degrees. Most likely we'll see some low 90s across the peninsula on Saturday, as winds will be more out of the west to southwest on Saturday compared to the southerly component we'll see more on Friday. And Saturday thunderstorm chances look to be about 20% until about 8 o'clock in the evening, and then they should increase slightly after that with a cold front moving through after 8 o'clock Saturday evening. So that'll complete the 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. I'm back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.